Hi there, this is Mrs. Tippet-Wetz, and today I'm here with the West African Dance and Drum Circle. My academic English 12 students had the opportunity today to participate in African dancing and drumming. They got to learn a little bit about African language, and we sang some songs. This project is to enrich our study of Ishmael Bea's novel, A Long Way Gone. Today I thought it would be fun to bring in Musa Kamara and Tomas and Valerie and just have a little fun dancing and drumming, African style.
Hi, my name is Musa Kamara from Guinea, West Africa. I've been teaching around the United States for 22 years. I used to teach at Yale University in New Haven, Connecticut, and I was hired from there to CMU and also University of Pittsburgh and Point Park. Right now I work for University of Pittsburgh and Point Park and teaching dance and drum class for Altoona and also in Pittsburgh Public School.
As he said, I'm Valerie Metzler. Musa and I got married last April 27th in Guinea, West Africa. And I grew up in Martinsburg, went to Central High School. I learned since 2011 when Musa and I met, when he came here to perform at the Blair County African American Heritage Festival. And a year later, we started dating and, as I said, got married last year. So he's been that's how long I've been drumming and dancing West African style. Together we founded a weekly drum circle here in Altoona. It's free for the community every Sunday afternoon at 4 o'clock. In the summertime, we're at outside at Heritage Plaza. Right now we went all year round every Sunday at 4 o'clock. Right now we're at the Mission Central Hub in the same building as the Driver's License Center. You might be familiar with that place. So we're there drumming every Sunday, and as you can see, we have a lot of drums. We bring drums or bring your own.
Hello, my name is Thomas Chapman, and I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I'm a student of Musa Kamara. And we work all over Pittsburgh. We perform, I teach K through 12 cultural arts, and I also work with other artists. I train artists to go into the schools to perform, and we're happy to be here in Altoona sharing African dance and drumming with the high school.
Altoona Area High School would like to thank Kamara Dance and Drum for sharing their drumming talents and culture with the academic English 12 classes.